In this guide, you'll learn how to fix YouTube TV Shiny not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, swipe down from the right corner of your screen or navigate to Settings. Click on the Wi-Fi option, forget the network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is check for the app updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube TV. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be resolved. Next up, restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot solves sign-in errors. Next up, check if you are connected to any VPN or proxy. Turn off any VPN or proxy and try signing in again. Likewise, make sure you are signing in with the same Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Log out of other Google accounts if multiple accounts are active. By following these steps, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, you can uninstall the app and again reinstall it. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.